All right, now that we've mastered the cubes above the horizon line, let's actually look at some of the cubes on the horizon line. And they're going to be very similar to this cube. So go ahead and draw yourself a square of any size. So I'm making this one a little more rectangular. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. And this one can be more like a square. All right. So just like with this box, because it's on the horizon line, we're looking directly at it. So we can't see the top of it and we can't see the bottom of it. It's not above or below us. It's directly at our eye line. It's directly on the horizon line. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the side of each of these cubes. We're not going to see the top or the bottom. We've already got the front. Let's create the side. So let's start with this guy here. From the corners that are closest to the vanishing point, converging line. Making sure I'm lined up before I draw. Another converging line. Can't go through this corner because it goes through the box. Can't go through this corner because it goes through the box. So I'm almost done. All I need to do is close this box so it doesn't go on and on forever and ever. And I've just erased the horizon line that goes through the middle of the box because the box isn't see-through. So it just makes it a little more clear. So now what happens in the front, which is this vertical line, is going to happen in the back. So I'm lining up my ruler, sliding it over, making sure that my ruler is still vertical, it's still parallel to the edge of the page. And there I have the side of my box. Now you can see it kind of looks like a building, and this is exactly how you would create a building as well using one-point perspective. There could be the door. All right, and you could add a roof, etc., and we'll talk about that later. So there's the box that is on to the left of the vanishing point. So unfortunately I had some technical difficulties and you didn't get to see me creating the cube that is to the right of the vanishing point, but it's done the exact same way as the one to the left of the vanishing point. It just is from the opposite side. So the square was here and I took from the two corners closest to the vanishing point. And then I lined up my ruler because what happens in the front happens in the back. I made this one a longer building, and then I erased my extra converging lines and my vanishing or my horizon line from the middle, although it still looks like it's completely there, which is why you guys should be drawing light. So what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to, when this video is over, I want you to create two cubes on the horizon line, one to the left of the vanishing point and one to the right of the vanishing point. And I'm sure you can guess where the next video is going to go.